Resurrecting the Extinct, the science and ethics of de-extinction. What if I told you extinction might not be permanent anymore? Imagine seeing a woolly mammoth walking across icy tundra again, or hearing the call of a bird that vanished centuries ago. This isn't science fiction. It's a real scientific debate happening right now. But just because we can bring extinct species back, does that mean we should? De-extinction is the scientific effort to bring back extinct species using modern genetic technology. It doesn't mean cloning a perfect copy like in the movies. Instead, scientists use DNA, living relatives, and advanced gene editing to recreate key traits of extinct animals. In other words, de-extinction is about reviving functions, not just faces. There are three main scientific approaches to de-extinction. First, cloning. This is the method popularized by Jurassic Park. Scientists take preserved DNA from an extinct animal and insert it into a living relative's egg. The problem? DNA degrades over time. For most extinct species, the genetic code is simply too damaged. Second, selective breeding. This involves breeding living animals that still carry ancestral traits. Over generations, scientists attempt to recreate something close to the extinct species. It's slow and imprecise, but it has worked in limited cases. Third, and most promising, gene editing. Using tools like CRISPR, scientists can edit the DNA of living animals to include specific traits from extinct ones. For example, researchers are currently editing elephant DNA to add woolly mammoth traits like thick fur and cold resistance. The result wouldn't be a true mammoth, but a mammoth-like elephant hybrid. Several extinct animals are already candidates for revival. The woolly mammoth, extinct for about 4,000 years, could help restore Arctic ecosystems by maintaining grasslands and slowing permafrost melt. The dodo, hunted to extinction in the 1600s, is being studied using DNA from museum specimens and its closest living relatives. Then there's the Tasmanian tiger, or thylacine, declared extinct in 1936. Scientists now have enough genetic material to attempt partial revival. Each project has a goal beyond spectacle: ecosystem repair. But here's the uncomfortable question. Do humans have the right to play creator? De-extinction raises serious ethical concerns. Would revived animals suffer in unfamiliar environments? Who is responsible if they fail to survive or disrupt ecosystems? Some critics argue that de-extinction distracts from protecting endangered species alive today. Why spend millions resurrecting the dead when thousands of species are disappearing right now? Others believe humans caused many extinctions and therefore have a moral responsibility to fix the damage. The debate isn't just scientific, it's philosophical. De-extinction may never fully bring back the past, but it could shape the future. These technologies could help restore damaged ecosystems, strengthen biodiversity, and even prevent future extinctions. But if we cross this line, there's no going back. So the real question isn't, can we resurrect the extinct? It's, are we wise enough to decide which species deserves a second chance? If extinction isn't final anymore, what does that mean for life on Earth? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Would you bring extinct species back or leave the past untouched? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay curious.